Love the energy. Like Sar said, we have a very, very key announcement to make today around the reinvention, how we are reinventing our entire ITSM and ITOM portfolio. But before I go into the details, let me tease you a little bit on why this is such a big deal. Let's take a step back and look at all the complexity that we are struggling with, starting with hybrid clouds, where we no longer just have one cloud, proliferation of clouds, be it hybrid clouds, private clouds, managed clouds. We have all of these cloud assets that we have to manage, which is becoming bigger and bigger and more complex every day. Not to mention the complexity of devices, as everything around us is connected, and as we have more and more things that we have to discover and secure, how do we handle this complexity? And in the day and age when we have to provide consumer-grade experience to our employees inside the enterprise, we have to do that through channels of their preference. So as we have proliferation of channels, with Skype as a channel, SMS as a channel, how do we handle that complexity? Not to mention the explosion of bots, not just conversational bots. Now we also have RPA bots. So in this tech tsunami of cloud, tsunami of devices, tsunami of channels, and tsunami of bots, how do we handle this complexity where tech is not just the driver of the change, but itself is changing? So we bring in the two worlds to help you manage this complexity, the two worlds of service and operations, which were divided for ages now, not just by the organizational boundaries, but also from technologies, from platforms, from tools, into one holistic platform, bringing the two ITSM and ITOM onto one holistic platform with 5 key pillars. Starting with discovery, discovery, discovery everywhere. As you all know, this is one of the golden nuggets we have in our portfolio, where you can not only discover on-prem assets, but also discover assets across AWS, Azure, OpenStack, Cloud Foundry, you name it. After you discover, how you proactively, predictively monitor all those assets, detect anomalies, and provide that service not just for IT, but also extend it to your entire enterprise for every line of business across HR, procurement, facilities, and remediate any issues that come up, detect all the vulnerabilities, and automatically remediate those vulnerabilities, and also manage your cost and capacity across your on-prem data centers and across all the multi-cloud assets. All powered on one platform, powered by AI/ML, which not only gives you continuous insights, but automation embedded into every single layer. The easiest part of this journey was to draw this circle. The hard part for us was to actually pull it off. As you all remember, we started this journey, the Helix journey, a couple of years back, as we moved our entire ITSM portfolio, the Remedy Service Management Suite, into Helix, where you can now not only discover on-prem, discover multi-cloud assets, proactively, predictively provide that service for IT, and also extend it to lines of business, provide the experience in digital workplace, and extend it with bots in 5 different channels, SMS, Skype, Slack, and WhatsApp also is coming. All of this is containerized on Docker and Kubernetes, so that you have a choice of cloud you can run on. You can run on AWS Cloud, Azure Cloud, or BMC Cloud. So this is what we have today. We have many, many customers around the world across different industries who have already gone live and have great success stories. So to this portfolio, ladies and gentlemen, what we are adding is the ITOM pillars, the true site portfolio that we had. Now we are bringing that into Helix with 3 additional modules. We will have Helix Monitoring, Helix Remediate, and Helix Optimize, all on one common holistic platform that has both ITSM and ITOM containerized and running on your choice of your cloud. this will be the industry's first end-to-end platform that has both ITSM and ITOM on one stack. And there's no other vendor in the market that has all those 5 pillars across this entire stack running on one single platform.